introduce you to our new creation, Heavenly Silk Fire Ginger Buttermilk Turkey.
This is my Heavenly Silk Fire Ginger Turkey. Come on now. Let's begin. Step one, this is how we brine. Now listen, it all starts in the soul. 1 gallon buttermilk, creamy slow like hope. 2 sliced onions, 8 cloves pressed down. Salt, pepper, poultry spice, swirl it around. Lay that turkey in like silk, ooh, let it sink. Seal it up tight, taste deeper than you think. Overnight dreams, flavor coming alive. Let it rest, let it bathe, let the soul of it rise. Step 2, spice, butter, love. Morning comes, we lift her out with grace. Pat it dry slow, like love on her face. Mix butter with sage, rosemary divine. Fresh ginger, olive oil, ooh, that shine. Salt and pepper, lemon zest, lemon rain. Under the skin, let the flavor remain. Rub it all over, like oil on the light. That bird's about to sing holiday delight. Step 3, a romantic heart. Bay leaves, 1 apple, lemon split in 2. Onion tucked deep, flavors breaking through. Aroma like love, like grandma in a room. Family at the table, Christmas soon. Step 4, the blackened blanket. Lay 14 strips like a woven sweet quilt. The baking blessing where flavor is built. It melts while it cooks, oh juicy and slow. Smoky sweet kisses in every bite you know. Step 5, the crook. Place her gentle in a roasting bag tight. 4 cups broth, pour low, feels right. Slide in a rabbit, 325 degrees, steady slow. 4 hours, watch the tenderness grow. Time makes flavor like love when it's true. Slow, gentle, divine, it's coming through. Step 6, the grace of growth. Honey drips golden, so it flows in. Poison and brown sugar, yes, let it begin. Fresh ginger grates, like angels in the pan. Garlic, rice, vinegar, flavor expands. Sesame oil whispers, broth makes it glide. Simmer till it's caramel gold, glossy pride. Step 7, the final shine. Last 20 minutes, open up the bag wide. Bronze like the sun, that turkey gonna shine. Brush on that glaze, slow, thick, divine. Watch it melt, drip, bless, oh, this is a sign. 165 temp, baby, she's done. Heaven on a plate, Christmas one. Now taking that first slice. Slice it and listen, hear that juicy sound. Pour more glaze, let the rivers run down. First bite lands, eyes closed like grace. Oh my God, written all over their face. Turkey like silk, soul food and fire. Memory made, hearts lift higher. Thank you for cooking with me. Wendy at your side, heavenly dishes, filled with joy and love. Like, share, subscribe, let love fill your home. May this turkey bless your table wherever you roam. Happy early Merry Christmas, from my kitchen to your own. Stay safe, bye y'all.